Google Ads campaign for a car service. I recently got a query regarding this. Hello, I have a car service. We have been running Google Ads for a while. We had a search campaign which is doing okay, but from everyone and a couple of agencies have suggested me going on Performance Max to promote services. But my problem is that I want to avoid spending my budget on YouTube, and at the moment Performance Max shows up. We can limit that, but not completely. So my first question is, why do you want to avoid YouTube? YouTube is good, it's going to give you good money, but I'm not sure why you want. But let's say we are avoiding YouTube as per you said. My opinion for a best Google Ads campaign for a car service is going to be, I will going with a search campaign. So that is my first preference. And for search campaign, I'm going to spend 70% of my budget at least. And a good search campaign can only be done if you are good at your competitor research. So you can use any tool, and you can get to figure out a lot of data. For instance, you're going into car service, and let me log into this account so I can show you the best. So logged into the account, and you may see, first of all, you're getting a lot of data over here. And in my opinion, a good car campaign service needs a lot of keyword segregation, where you have to put near me keywords in a separate ad group, and the car services are separate. Cars, the near me should be a separate, and you can get like a sell service, car service, all should be into different segments, and a lot of ads need to be created in order to match the intention with someone searching a particular query. And you can get a lot of data for the competitors. You can get their ads, you can work on the organic, you can also look for the organics. You can see these ads, book with us today, affordable car services, auto repair services. So you can see you are getting ample of data, and you see what extension ad assets they are using in your ads. And even you can get a complete detail of, like, a single domain advertiser is using multiple ads. You can click on them to see what kind of ads they are using to get around. And now you can see the car service is a popular query, and you may see, now this is what I like regarding, in all of the ads, this took my attention because these have prices mentioned. So see, a pricing also plays a huge role. So these add maximum ad assets in your ad to get the maximum out of it. Have a strong eye on your competitors, segment your locations you want to target, the timings, which are the best timings to grab the maximum customer. Do your conversion tracking set accurately. Work on your proper keyword research. Look around your search terms, auction sites, and keep on adding new negative keywords. And a strong, working on your competitors, and also optimize your quality score where possible, and you can get a lot of optimization. You can see, for car service, you can also do oil change service, a separate ad for oil changing. You can see a lot of ideas you can get through them, a proper research through them, and for instance, you can see coach bus service. So because in the car service there is a lot of working done. So my opinion is, you can figure out, although this is a general overview I'm going to do with this. But if I'm going to work on all of the paid keywords, I'm going to get all of them further data for the domains, and then I can even optimize, on based on them as well. So you see, getting this data, a lot of research can be done for an optimization. So my opinion is, do not put all of your keywords, but instead work with small set of keywords, specifically near me keywords or your local keywords. Work on your locations, create separate campaigns for your locations, work around for your timings, optimize your campaigns, and use invalid clicks. We use invalid clicks in our client services, but for those who don't know, you may be wasting money on your invalid clicks. So which is why it's always a good idea to use invalid clicker to save the maximum amount of money, and just follow these practices to get the maximum out of your car campaign service. And now moving back, search campaign, I will be spreading retargeting campaigns at 20%. PMax only. I also recommend PMax, but PMax only when you have ample of number of products in your car service and you are not sure which one is going to work, then PMax is good. You can also go with demand generation, or you can use this budget as a 30% on retargeting, and you may be good to go with it. So I hope this answers the question for Google Ads campaign for a car service. And in case if anyone needs help with the Google Ads campaign, or be it for a car service or any other industry, me and my team can help you. We can also help you with Google business profile, Google SEO, or Bing ads, Meta ads, or website designing, or landing page service. We are a full-fledged digital marketing agency as a Google partner company based in UAE. And in case if you need our help or service, we serve the globe. So you can hire us through the link in the description, and we will look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.